Today we're going to pull out some protein and show ourselves some serious LiveGood protein here, and then we're going to show some super reds, and we're going to get some CBD oil for our pets, and set that off to the side there. Go through the LiveGood protein products and our CBD oil and protein shakes, super reds, great mix with water, ice cubes. Love it, absolutely love it. CBD oil, cats are eating this stuff up really fast. Ingredients, pretty wholesome. Some proprietary stuff, but a lot of good health stuff that you see in there. Super reds, like I said, drink it every day. Love this stuff, lots of good stuff. Great flavor, great taste. The scent of it is just amazing. It's really refreshing. It's a great way. I mean, substitute pop or Kool-Aid or punch or whatever. Knock yourself out with some super red drink.